Banana. Hello. Hi, quiet. Hi, Banana. Good morning, my babies. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. It's 5:54. My brain decided that 4:45 was when we were getting up today. So I'm down here with my babies. It's because I know I've got stuff to do. So my mum was like, you don't need an alarm. I'll just wake you up anxiously. So I'm going to have a coffee and feed these babies and then get on with my day of stuff that I need to do. Hi, Chippy. Hi, Chippy. Hi, Binksy baby. Oh, little good boy. I'm making a coffee. I'm making cinnamon rolls. So I'm going to see my friend Rosie this morning. I'm very excited because I haven't seen her for ages. So I'm here. I put it in the fridge last night. I'm going to roll it out, do all this. It's going to be amazing. Cinnamon buns are in the airing cupboard, proving. Squeaky Leeks is down here having a breakfast. What is your rating of these ones? What is it? Show us. We've got these from Aldi, like chocolate orange pillows. You like them?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mika, do you want me to make bacon and lentil soup?
You don't need to go downstairs again, do you?
I want to go down there.
I see you. It's
Juice?
time. It's 6:38. Arya's lunch is here. Arya is there. How was your sleep?
What are you doing that?
Foxy's lunch is here
Outside?
after nursery, and Mika's lunch is here.
No, I need to put Rocky outside.
Do you want Mummy to pick you up? Mummy carry you? Mummy get you?
On the floor.
Oh, should we report him to Childline?
Yeah.
Yeah, because he put you on the floor.
Yeah.
Oh, poor Fossy.
Can I see my number?
You'll see your lunchbox. What can you see?
Shadows.
What else?
Cupcake. 2 cupcakes.
Not 2 cupcakes, 1 cupcake. Yours is the green lunchbox. Ari's is the pink one. You've got...
What that colour?
That's Mika's. That's metal.
What that colour?
Silver.
Silver.
The yummy ones are on the table if you want them, Ari.
They're all
All everyone's lunches.
Mika's. What are these little green things?
Where? Show me.
These.
What's her ingredients?
Yeah.
Her ingredients are basically the same as your ingredients.
My chocolate.
Yeah, so you've got sandwiches and the girls have got bagels and
I want
oranges.
them.
You want what?
That.
You want a fondant fancy?
Huh?
You want this?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll swap it with one of the girls then.
Yeah.
Can you choose your breakfast for me? We're reporting you to Childline because you put him on the floor. He just doesn't hold on, he's so heavy. Hold on to Mummy, I'm going to let go. Hold on quick because I'm going to let go.
Yeah.
Hold on tight, I'm going to let go. Oh. Oh. No survival instinct whatsoever. You silly sodge. Did you just put the sugar all on them too?
Yeah.
Yum. You'll show me how good they taste. You eat that sugary one or I'm going to get it.
No. No.
Who's that boy?
Oh. Oh.
You want to press the button?
So just...
Here.
I do my hair, brush, check my nails, make it how you feeling. Girl's hair. Girl's hair.
Hi, Foxy. Hungry to walk on some
Mika, there's quite a lot of toothpaste in your hair.
Sorry.
Did you not have a shower last night? Mika.
didn't have a shower last night.
What?
Didn't have a shower last night.
No, not last night, the night before. Leave your hair bubbles in today.
Yeah.
Do not take them out because you will get nits. And if you get nits, you will have your hair cut short. Do you understand? Gary's drinking Aria's Lucky Charm milk. Gary, stop it! Gary! Okay, Babs.
Oh.
The cinnamon buns are out. It is 7:01. I haven't got enough ice in, so Ben has gone to the shop for me to get some ice and sugar because I didn't have enough. So this is for us for the weekend, and I'm taking this to Rosie's house. Hello, sausage. Put your bubbles there. You okay?
Yeah.
You excited about the sleepover?
Yeah.
But you want to come home? That's okay. You can have all the fun stuff, and I'll come and get you. It's Aria's best friend's birthday sleepover tomorrow night, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's, what are you going to have? I think there's going to be pizza, isn't there?
Yeah.
And
We even said for dinner we're gonna have crumpets and banana.
You don't like banana. You can have crumpets and butter. You like that, don't you? But I'm pretty sure. Yeah, don't worry, we'll get her in a second. Go grab it.
Chappy.
The cat's trying to steal breakfast milk. Oh, naughty Chappy. Oh, Chap and Landa. Chap and Landa. So yeah, there's going to be, I think it's going to be pizza and pasta. And I think you're having like pamper party.
What's
I
that?
don't know. So pampering, so like nails done and hair braids and Aria, there is a lot of toothpaste in your hair here that we washed last. No, we didn't wash it last night, did we? You had a bath last night. We didn't wash your hair. Do you need to have a shower tonight, then, Missy?
Yeah.
Because your hair is crispy
Chappy.
and full of toothpaste. Put her down now, Ari. There you go. You're done.
Chappy.
Yeah. What is it? Where's the? Let me look. I've got the. There's like a group chat about it, and it says 3 o'clock we're having mermaid games, 4 o'clock bowling and arcades, 5 o'clock pizza and pasta, 7 o'clock pamper and PJs, 8 o'clock movie in your teepee, 8 in the morning pancakes, and 10 o'clock in the morning home. So you can just come home at before the movies, and you get to do everything else fun.
But they went to watch the movie.
But that means you'll have to sleep over. You can sleep over if you want to. If you want to change your mind tomorrow, you can do. Mummy can just come and get you. It doesn't matter.
Sleep over.
Yeah? Go find a cardigan, please, sausage. Okay, get it then. Cinnamon buns are done. Bam! I'm taking those ones to Rosie's, and these ones are for us for the weekend. The breakfast table is just carnage as usual. This is Fox's offering. A straw with a spoon in it, and then literally milk everywhere. So, woohoo. Yeah, I'm gonna empty this, put that in, and it's still only 7:13. Good God. What are you doing?
Looking at this.
Baby stuff?
I'm looking pasta.
Oh, you're looking at everything, are you? You've only got a couple more days before Santa has to finish his shopping.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fuzzy? What are you doing?
What are we doing?
What's she doing?
Yeah.
Torch.
You're putting a spotlight on all of Foxy's amazing art.
My amazing art.
Your amazing art.
I did some of it.
I know you did some of it too. It's all
I did that
brilliant. I love it all.
I did that one for Mika.
Brilliant. It's bedtime. It's 10 to 7. I haven't filmed anything today. I've been really busy. We're hiding up here, aren't we? Because Daddy's watching the stupid World Cup downstairs and we are refusing to watch it, aren't we, girls?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's in guitar.
And Qatar is?
Bad.
Yes. Because they
Don't let girls marry girls.
Or boys marry boys. Naughty. So yeah, we are all snuggling in my bed and they're playing their games for a little bit. I'm having a doom scroll and eating a chocolate mousse pot. Whoa, 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 whoa. My new boots came today from UGG. I'll put a picture of them on the screen here. But they're going back because they are so narrow. Like, I put my foot in and I was in so much pain. It was just crushing my foot. They're fine in the length, but they're just so narrow and so tight. So they're going back, which is annoying. I've got a load of orders there, which are all ready to go for tomorrow. The man is coming to buy our car tomorrow, which is exciting. So that means we need to look for a new one. And it looks like we may have to buy it without seeing it, which is not ideal. But it doesn't look like there's anything for us within like 100 miles. And we can't drive 100 miles all together in one car. So we're going to have to just buy one and hope for the best. Yeah, so that's it for today. It's just a little short one today. So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
And we've got Mika and Aria's, well, Mika's old school and Aria's school now. We've got their Christmas fair tomorrow and there's going to be a unicorn.
Yes.
So we're going to see a unicorn tomorrow, so brace yourselves for that.